I would like to see a number of tea companies, rubber products companies, spice companies, coconut products companies, gem and jewelry producers, and other service providers, including Sri Lanka Tourism, Sri Lankan Airlines, to make use of this opportunity to access the Chinese market. What we have to provide to the Chinese market, create a brand recognition of Sri Lanka as a reliable and high quality exporter of products. We should make the best use of the Shanghai Expo to project our tourist product to the Chinese market, and it can be done. And if we do it virtually, it will not only attract the Chinese participants at the show, but also might be dispersed to a wider audience. And Sri Lanka will benefit enormously in a commercial sense, in a financial sense, by attracting more Chinese tourists to this country.